Assalamu alaikum. This is Ariful Ahmed. Welcome to my new video. Now I am staying at Chatpur Launch Terminal. It's the one of the biggest terminal in Bangladesh. It is confluence. It is confluence of Padma and Meghna. Especially there are three rivers in here: Padma, Meghna and Dakatia. On the other hand, there are many lawns. There are many launches in here. Sonartari, Imam Hassan, Jomjom and Mayur. Especially Mayur 7 is very big and comfortable. However, BIWTA, Bangladesh Inland and Water Transport Authority should enhance many facilities in this river port and Chatpur Launch Terminal. Thank you everybody. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.